Just when everyone started to assume that Osmo 360 ain't real, new leaks have emerged confirming the existence of DJI's upcoming 360 camera. Not just that, we have got the release date confirmation as well. According to the Chinese website IT Home, the Osmo 360 is reportedly scheduled to be released in July 2025. New leaks suggest that the camera is poised to challenge Insta360 by incorporating features from the X5. So let's find out more about the upcoming DJI Osmo 360, what features it's going to have, and discuss whether it can compete with the existing Insta360 and GoPro. So, the latest images come from Igor Bogdanov, and it ain't a prototype anymore. The photos seem more like authentic retail units and all set to make their appearance. You can also notice a mounting system in one of the images, which could be a pass-through for USB Type-C charging in case of attached to any tripods, for instance. We pretty much had a decent idea of the camera when dozens of images got leaked, and the new one comes with no difference. Now, the full spec sheet is yet to be revealed, but thanks to Guslu Atamer, we have got a few hints about what DJI has planned for the device. He believes that the technical specs on the Osmo 360 are going to be almost the same as the X5. So that means DJI could potentially kick off its 360 era with 8K resolution right off the bat. You will also be able to shoot 4K videos at 120 frames per second with the Osmo 360. The Insta360 X5 features a 1x1.20 8-inch CMOS sensor that shoots up to 72 megapixels. So, you can expect a similarly sized sensor, most likely a 1x1.3-inch sensor like we have seen on the Osmo Action 5 Pro. However, higher resolution or a larger sensor doesn't really make a 360 camera great. Rather, being able to shoot in more creative ways is what you would want from such cameras. Look at the X5, for example. It has so many different and unique modes for shooting. Most importantly, the Magic Stick changes the game when you want to shoot solo. This is where DJI needs to shine to be able to grab everyone's attention. One downside of the Osmo 360 compared to the X5 could be its battery life. According to the leaked FCC listing, the Osmo 360 will have a 1950 mAh battery capacity, which is quite smaller than the Insta360's 2400 mAh capacity. Another good thing for the Osmo 360 is that it is expected to be compatible with the DJI Mimo app, meaning you will have seamless access to editing footage and uploading it on social media instantly. So, it's just a matter of time before DJI launches the very first 360 camera, Osmo 360. However, do you think DJI will be able to put up a fight against the 360 camera king? What more features would you expect from it? Throw all your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to keep yourself updated with all the latest tech news.